I remember me and Dee used to talk about this kind of stuff all the time, like what it's gonna be like when you get closer to your dreams. I didn't know much then, but probably tell you a little something now.
Okay, disclaimer, I already did one eye, and I have to, yeah, I had some eyeliner. It's some blue eyeliner on this eyelash, but y'all can't see that, right? You didn't see that. I have used these lashes in a minute. I want to go for like a glam on the go look. Minimal eyeshadow, well, simple, easy, quick eyeshadow. Minimal eyeshadow, not that much eyeshadow. Some bold lips, bold lashes, like on the go fall makeup. I really love doing fall makeup. Fall's my favorite season. I couldn't do this last year, fall 2017, because I had like a lot going on. Oh yeah, I'm Kiana, by the way, since I didn't say it. This will be a voiceover. Okay, so of course I'm going to need a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm taking this LA Girl concealer in Toffee, and I'm just going to blend that out. I usually go for a lighter color, but this is the only color I had on hand. I'm going to set it with my Bend Now Banana powder. No, my e.l.f. setting powder, honestly. Next, I'm going with this color from Too Faced Semi Chocolate Bar. Semi Sweet. I just have to screw this whole name up. Y'all will see it down below. And I'm going in with, I believe, Truffled. I'm just going to blend that in my crease area, then target more towards my outer V, and I'm going to just blend that out because I don't want any harsh edges, and neither should you, you know. For my eyebrow highlight, this makes a really bomb eyebrow highlight. This is Butter Pecan, and I think is that rum raisin? Yes, rum raisin. It's like a sparkly shade. It's like sparkly brown. I can't talk today, y'all. If you want a better color payoff, use your finger to put it on. And of course, you're going to blend everything out because you don't want any harsh edges. For mascara, I'm going in with Maybelline. I'll leave it down below. These eyelashes I got from somebody on campus. And for my eyeliner, I'm going in with e.l.f.'s liquid eyeliner. I usually don't like this eyeliner like that. I like NYX matte eyeliner. Okay, I got this from a sample. This is a sample of Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner. It's pretty cool, actually. Okay, the key to a bomb face is moisturizer, and you know, a nice skincare routine is moisturizer. So I'm going my Mario Badowski spray. Is going to fan my face. My primer, I'm going in with Benefits to Pore Professional Primer. It's supposed to minimize pores. For my foundation, I'm going with this Bomb Foundation from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This is in 360. They also have a dewy kind. Make sure you blend that foundation out flawlessly. You can use like the brush that I'm going with, a flat brush, and you can use a beauty blender to make it have like a more flawless effect. And make sure you blend your but make sure you blend under your neck and stuff too. Blend into your neck too. We don't need no ghost face, no ghost. I don't know what they used. I forgot they used to say. For my highlighter. For my I'm concentrating highlighter right now, and I'm using, I believe, FAWN. I'm just gonna set that with my FHD powder. I used this powder in a long time. This is in Corrective Yellow. The contour powder that I'm using to do my contour, my nose, cheekbones, and things of that nature. It's Rich Mahogany by Black Radiance. It's like really known in the old YouTube community. It was like an OG. A lot of old YouTubers put me on. The next item that I'm using is from Black Radiance. It is their Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I'm setting my whole face with this, and I'm using a smaller brush, kabuki brush, to blend out, to set my to blend out my the places that I set. Okay, so what's a glam look without a dramatic tear duct? The color that I'm using is Caramel from that same palette that I used earlier. And next, I'm just highlighting with my NYC bronzing powder. So this fall, I want to go for a dramatic blush. So I'm taking this dark blush from e.l.f.'s blush palette. And also, I want to just warm up my tear duct area. Not tear duct, but under my waterline, whatever, lash line. I want to do my mascara, and after that, I'm doing my I'm highlighting. I can't talk today. And I think for my highlight, I'm using e.l.f.'s Tracing Caicos. I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks and my nose, the middle of my nose. Well, yeah, my whole nose. I'm just gonna blend it out with a big fluffy brush just to make sure everything's blended. And I'm gonna finish it off with my e.l.f. setting spray. Now for my lips, or onto my lips, I'm lining my lips up with this brown lip pencil from Nika K. They call it, well, it's NK. For this particular lip color, which is Tootsie, which I'm applying now, I would say use a red or a burgundy to outline it. And now I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, or whatever. If you have any video requests, please let me know. Be breezy.